welcome to Instinct Gaming. This is Instinct, and today I have a very good surprise for all of you guys. I'm still not showing it right now, but I think like most of you already know that, and I'm not gonna make it like super surprise or something like that because I don't know how to make like the suspense things. So here it is, guys. Here is our new GPU. Ta-da! This is GTX 1060 ASUS model. Actually, I was gone for like I was hoping to get a Zotac version, but that was not available at that point of time. Like when I was traveling, someone already bought it, so I bought this one. You can also see that PCI Express wire, which is excited to go into this graphics card, and we are also gonna do the unboxing. Yeah, so I'm holding my phone in my one hand and I'll try to like use my other hand to do the unboxing. I have not ever unboxed any graphics card before, so this is my first graphics card unboxing. Oh my god, this is a little tougher with one hand, so just give me some. Okay, so it is open from this side. Alright, I have to like push my mouse a little bit back. Also guys, sorry for that this messy, what you say, it's not even a table, it's a bed without the so I'm using it as a table. Wait, hold on guys, I have to like pull it with my both hands. What should I do till then? It's so hard, man. Is it coming out? No. Okay. So I have to like pause the video for a second to pull it out and then I'll resume it, okay? Alright, so it's coming out now. See guys. Alright, so this is the outer box. Oh wait, yeah, like this, and we are putting it on the side. And this is another box coming out. It says ASUS in search of incredible. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it like this. Oh my god, the real surprise is under this, I think. Wait, let me feel it first. Oh my god, it's really there. Oh shit, look at that beauty. Oh my god. So here is the GPU itself. Oh my god, it looks beautiful, man. I don't even like words to describe my excitement. Right, so I think it will open from here. Can I touch that back part? Is it okay to touch it like with hands? I think it should be okay. Alright, so here it is guys. The ASUS GTX 1060 6GB OC edition. It's in the white color. Okay, I hope you guys are not like having any problems in viewing the details and all. Okay, so I have to put this wrapper aside. Let's see what we get in the box. I don't think it has like anything else. Yep, it only has a manual. Oh, and a CD as well, but I don't think I'll be using it. Okay, so putting it aside as well. So guys, this GPU is gonna like, it will soon go like this into like here, and this wire will go in this area. So I don't think I can like show you guys like putting my GPU inside the case, so I have to end this short video here. So see you guys. We'll be like doing a lot of more games. We'll be playing on very high quality. So yeah, see you guys in game. I think I'll be streaming today or not, I'm not sure, but I'll be gaming for sure. So guys, see you, take care, and bye bye. That's it for now for this unboxing.